Small and powerful. Have iPhone SE2 images been uploaded to the web? Insider TechMate posted on its blog the new renderings of the compact iPhone SE2 smartphone, which Apple is expected to introduce in spring 2020. According to the authors of the pictures, the device will be available in 3 colors, black, red, and yellow, and the camera will receive only one lens. They decided to leave the rest of the design elements virtually unchanged compared to the regular iPhone SE, except for the bezels around the screen, which it was decided to make thinner. The filling of the device, as previously reported, will be top-end. As always with Apple, the smartphone will receive the A13 Bionics chip, fresh iOS out of the box and, possibly, Face ID recognition system, although the variant with the good old Touch ID is not excluded. The price is expected to reach $400.